Did you walk into your laundry room and saw a puddle of water on the floor? Is your washing machine leaking water? Well, it may not be that big of a deal. I'm going to show you something that will save you lots of money if that is the problem. You'll turn a $200 repair into a $2 repair. To learn what it is, keep watching. Welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. We had this problem with our washing machine 3 years ago, and we walked into the laundry room here. There was water on the floor. I thought it was the water pump. I took the back off to check out the water pump and I found something else. I'm going to take the panel off the back here and I'm going to show you exactly what it was. But what it was is there is a hose in there, and that hose comes from up here. One comes in from this area, runs down through here and goes to a port in the side of the laundry tub. And that little hose, with all the movement that's going on with the laundry tub inside here, there's shaking going on and all kinds of stuff. What happened is that little hose has a spring clamp on it, and that hose comes loose and it just slips off. And when the water comes down to go into the tub, it actually doesn't go in the tub, it goes all over your floor and you got yourself a big mess. And you think you might have yourself an expensive repair, and there's a chance it may be just a quick repair. You could go from calling somebody to come take a look at it, cost you $200, or you can take a look yourself like I'm going to show you here. It may be like a $2 clamp, and that's all it is. So first of all you have to do is unplug your washing machine, pull it out from the wall, and there's 4 screws here. We're going to take this panel off to get to the inside so we can see what's going on. The panel just comes off like that, and when you want to put it back in, you push it up like this and then put the bottom on. So I'll bring you in closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So this here is the hose I'm talking about, and you can see I put a hose clamp on it. It's different than the original one. This is a hose clamp that is like this. That one will not let go. If you want to go buy one, just I'll put a link to these kind of hose clamps in the description below this video. If you go to your hardware store, just try and find the smallest one that you can get. So yeah, what I did was I just put that hose clamp on over this hose, put it back on this port here, tighten it up, and it has never come loose since. And that's been on there now for a couple of years. I originally thought it was the water pump, which is down in here, and it was not that at all. So that here is all it was, and many people have commented on that video, and they had this exact same problem. It didn't necessarily have to be a Samsung washing machine. They had the exact same problem, and they were so glad that I made this video. And I think it's the only one on YouTube, basically, and it's saving people a lot of money and a lot of stress about their washing machine. Because there's nothing worse than walking into your laundry room and finding a bunch of water all over the floor underneath the washing machine. So again, all I did was switch out this spring clamp for this little hose clamp, and our problem was solved. If you're having other issues with your washer and dryer, be sure to click on this playlist right here next, and I'll likely have a fix for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.